evening to everybody, and thank you so much for joining us. With COVID-19 and the lockdown in most of the country, and the schools also working online, we thought that we would create a creativity challenge which would also engage the students in what we are talking about in terms of COVID-19 and how health, nutrition, and food safety and hygiene is so important in today's time. So the Eat Right Creativity Challenge 2 has been taken out with this very purpose in mind to involve the students in a creative way. So I will through this short PPT discuss what our program is about and how all of you can engage in this particular challenge. Next slide, please. So the Eat Right Creativity Challenge is not something new. In 2018, from November to January, we have already conducted it, and a lot of schools had participated in. Almost 75,100 students had participated. We had won the competition, a wall art competition, an Eat Right Sustained Champion School competition, and a digital creative competition. This year, because students are at home, we have brought it down to 2 levels only, 2 competitions. Next slide, please. So the 2 competitions that we have is, one is regarding poster making. So posters can be made on Eat Safe and Eat Healthy. So students can interpret what they understand with Eat Safe, Eat Healthy. Though by and large, safe means that food is prepared in a safe and hygienic manner. That means the person who is preparing the food maintains personal hygiene, the surrounding is clean, and people who are also eating it maintain safety and hygiene. That is, they wash their hands before eating food, and they are also taking precautions that the food which is cooked is not left outside uncovered, but it is safe to eat. The second level of the competition is food safety during COVID-19, which is a photography competition. This we have kept for students from 9th class onwards, because we thought that let us have the poster making for the junior and the middle school and the photography for the higher level, because their students don't have much time, the pressure of studies is also there. So we are having 2 competitions, one poster competition, the second photography competition. The poster competition is at 2 levels, and it is based on Eat Safe, Eat Healthy, and the food safety during COVID-19 photography competition is for 1 level. Next, please. This I just mentioned. For the poster making, we have 2 levels. Level 1 is class 3 to 5. Level 2 is class 6 to 8. And the Eat Right photography competition is level 1 only. Level class will be from 9 to class 12. Now, for this competition, the schools have to register with us online. Students individually cannot fill in or submit their entries. It has to be through the school only. One, it ensures that we are clear which school or which student is coming. And second, when we give the prize, we will also be recognizing the school. So it is very important that schools register and then encourage their students to participate. Next, please. So how to participate? We have created a portal, an online portal called the fssi.gov.in/creativity challenge, in which the school simply has to register themselves, and for the poster making, for every level, 3 entries can be given. A maximum of 3 entries from the school can be given, and for the photography, since it is only 1 level, 5 entries can be given. So you have to enroll yourself, you have to register, the school has to register themselves. No individual entries are permitted, and online certificates are available for students who participate. So all students who will participate, who will be filling up their nominations to the school, everybody gets a certificate. But the prizes are given at the regional level and at the national level. Next, please. Joshita request you to discuss how the prizes are being given.
Yes, ma'am. So for the poster competition, we will have first level of screening at regional level. So for level 1, 40 participants will get rupees cash prize of rupees 1,000 and a certificate, and for similarly for level 2. So total 80 students will receive per region cash prize of rupees 1,000. These 80 entries will then go to national level screening, and the prizes will be for first prize level 1. 10 prizes will be there, cash prize of rupees 10,000 and certificate. Level 2, similar 10,000 and certificate. So total of 20 first prizes will be awarded for poster competition. Similarly, for second prize, it's cash prize of 7,500 for 10 students, and for similar for level 2, 10 students. Third prize, rupees 5,000, and consolation prize will be given for 15 students for level 1 and level 2, cash prize of 2,000 rupees and certificate. Participation certificate will be given to all the schools who are participating as well as all the students. Next, please. For the photography competition at the regional level, 80 entries per region will be awarded cash prize of rupees 1,000 and a certificate. For national level screening, first prize will be given to 40 students, a cash prize of 5,000 rupees. Second prize, 40 students. Third, and similarly for consolation, 40 students. So in total, 400 plus cash prizes will be awarded to the students. Next, please. So these are the partners who are already enrolled, and we want them to participate and disseminate this information so that the outreach and amplification of the competition is great, and this information should be disseminated to each and every school and student so that everybody can participate and contribute. And we can also think, this is a post analysis also, that how students are thinking and how their thinking have been changed during this COVID time, and about food safety and healthy diets. Next, please. So this is the current status of the Eat Right School program. Currently 35,000 plus schools have been registered, and health and wellness coordinators have been certified. So next, the update of Eat Right School and what are the current things going on, I'll request Enoshi ma'am to discuss. So next slide, please.
So actually, I just thought that while we are discussing the Eat Right Creativity Challenge, I will also just use this opportunity to provide all of you the information regarding the latest standard regulations that FSSAI has come out for the schools regarding sale of food which is high in salt, fat and sugar, which cannot be now done within the school or within 50 meters of the school. We have also created an Eat Right School Matrix, which is just a 10-point charter, which if schools follow, they can get certified as the Eat Right School. We have also updated our yellow books, Yellow Book 1 and 2, which are very simple activities which teachers can engage the students while teaching them about food safety, hygiene and a balanced diet. All these are available on our website. And we also have a food safety guidebook for teachers from grade 3 to 10, in which very simple adulteration